Hello friends, welcome to our channel Google Galaxy. Today we are going to discuss the topic resistance. Make sure that you have seen the previous lectures to continue with this resistance. What is resistance? Resistance is nothing. It is a property that opposes the flow of current. If I just connect a cell across the conductor, if we connect a cell a cell across the conductor, all the free electrons will start moving towards the positive pole. All the free electrons will start moving towards the positive pole. This flow of electrons we called as electric current. This flow of electrons we called as electric current. Whenever we say that the current is flowing through the wire, it simply means that free electrons are moving. It simply means that free electrons are moving from one end to another end. Since the current is flow of electrons and resistance is what? Resistance is that oppose, that to restrict, not allow, that opposes flow of current. Flow of current. This opposition occurs, this restriction occurs, this opposition to the flow of current occurs because of presence of large number of atoms and molecules in a substance. What is the reason behind opposition to current flow? That because of large number of atoms and molecules in a substance. Through which current flows. When electron starts moving, as I told earlier, that a substance is not made up of a single atom, it is made up of million trillions of atoms. When electrons will start moving in a substance from one terminal end to another terminal end, the electrons while moving collide with these atoms and molecules, which offer opposition to the flow of electric current. To what limit, to what extent opposition happens? It depends upon the type of substance. It depends upon the, or we can say, structure of atom. Depends on the atomic structure. If there are large number of free electrons, as in copper wire, when we take an example of copper wire, it is having large number of free electrons. Whenever we apply a small potential difference, that is a small voltage applied in a circuit, if it is a copper wire, causes the flow of electrons from one pole to another pole. So we say that opposition to the flow of electrons is less. It means resistance is less. On the other hand, there are other substances which have fewer free electrons. For example, carbon. This carbon has the tendency to oppose the flow of current because carbon is having lesser free electrons. Are the units of resistance? The units of resistance is ohm. The units of resistance is ohm, and we donated by the symbol of, in simple words I'll just say headphone. This one is a symbol for Ohm's law. You have to just remember this symbol. This is all about the resistance.